Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Janine and this is Janine's Tap Dance Studio. In today's video, I'm going to go over riffs 10, 11, and 12. So if you haven't watched my previous videos on riffs 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, I would recommend going back and watching those now and then come back to this one because the riffs all build on each other. So once you know 5, you can do 6 and 7, and then once you know those, you can go on to 8 and 9. So 10, 11, and 12. When you get into these higher numbers, we're used to riffs just walking us forward, right, in a straight line. When you get into these higher numbers, you have to start crossing them in order to be able to keep going forward and without repeating too much. So if you want to start a 10, you're going to start with a 3-count riff. So a 3-count riff is just step, scuff, heel. Okay? Okay? So you're going to do that going forward. Then to cross over, this is where the crossover is going to happen. With your right foot, you're going to go dig, then spank, then heel. Okay? See what I did there? You have dig, spank, heel. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then to get the rest of the 10, you're going to go step, scuff, and then dig, toe. Okay, so again, it's 1, 2, 3, then 4, 5, 6, dig, spank, heel, and then step, scuff, dig, toe. So the counts are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, try that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good, let's try some left side now. So we have 1, 2, 3 on our left. Then dig, spank, heel. Then step, scuff, dig, toe. Good. Nice job. Try that again. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, dig, spank, heel, step, scuff, dig. Okay, so let's do a few of these in a row. Starting right foot. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Left side. Good. One more. I lied. Now it's one more. Good. Let's start left side now. Here we go. We're going to do 4 in a row like we did. I have to keep shifting back because I don't have enough room on my board. So left side starts 5, 6, 7, 8. Right side. Again, left side. Right side. Good, nice job. Say you wanted to make these a little bit faster, make them a little more advanced. Right side starts. Now you're going to speed up that riff, the 3-count riff part. That part right there, and as well coming back across. From across, you're going to speed it up here. That part as well, dig, spank, heel, and the same thing, the riff coming back across. Oh, excuse me, I had a heel, that's an 11. So, okay, so step, scuff, dig, toe. Let's speed up a little bit. I might only be able to get a couple through here. Here we go, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good, let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Good, try left side now. 5, 6, 7, 8. Good, one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Nice, good. Let's move on to 11. We're going to do the exact same thing like a 10. So we're going to start here and then here, crossing over. And then when you get here, you're going to do step, scuff. This time you're going to drop your stand foot heel and then dig toe. It adds that one extra sound to make it an 11. So it's going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, let's give that a try nice and slow, about 4 times. I'll see how much I can get through here. 5, 6, 7, 8. Left side. Back to right. One more time left. Good, let's try left side now. 4 in a row. It's the same thing as a 10, except you're adding this heel drop, step, scuff, heel, dig, toe. Okay? Try 4 on the 4 starting left side, excuse me. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right side. Again, left. One more time, right. Good, nice job. Okay, let's try them a little faster, starting right foot. So now we're gonna speed up those riffs, as well as the dig, spank heels. So 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more. Good, nice job. And left side as well. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. One more. Good, nicely done. Okay, and last one, number 12. So you're going to start it just like an 11. And now you're going to add on your heel drop. So it's like, so an 11 is like your 5 count riff, right? You just have that extra beginning. And then you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. With a 12, you're just going to make it a 6 at the end. You're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then drop your heel, front heel to make it that 6. Okay? So let's give that a try. So you're going to go 1, 2, 3, then 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Okay? Give it a try. Nice and slow. 5, 6, 7, 8. Left side. Again, right. One more time. Good, let's try left side now. 4 starting on our left. 5, 6, 7, 8. One more. Good, nice. Let's try speeding it up a little bit. Starting right foot. 5, 6, 7, 8. One more. And speeding our left foot as well. 5, 6, 7, 8. One more. Good, nicely done. All right, thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe for new tap videos every Tuesday and Thursday. Again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.